Hey Code Chasers, how are you? I hope you're fine and healthy. With that healthy vibe, we will start our video today. I am Adil Lakshmana Tiketi. Welcome to our channel Code Chasers. In this video, we will see if-else statements in Python. What are if-else statements? If-else statements are generally called as conditional statements. Conditional statements means they imply some condition. Okay. So, as we have discussed in our earlier videos, statements are of different types. Okay. Conditional statements are one among them, and if-else falls under conditional statements. How do they look like in Python? We will see. Okay. As I have said, if else imply a condition. First of all, we will see the syntax of if statement in Python. Okay. Syntax will be like, first of all, if keyword and the condition that we need to give. Okay. Condition followed by a colon, and then the body of if starts here. Okay. Body of if in the sense the actual logic that we want Python to perform. If Python interpreter satisfies this condition, that particular logic has to be written here. Okay. We will understand it better if we take an example. Okay. First of all, I am taking a variable a and I am assigning a value 10 to it. Okay. Then I am actually validating the value present in a. Okay. For that, we need to write a condition, right? We will write with the help of if statement. Okay. First of all, if keyword followed by the condition. Okay. The condition what I want to write here is, if my value which is present in a is equal to 10, I'll ask Python to perform some logic. Okay. If it just follow like it, just don't read this as like a Python code. You just read this as a basic English. Okay. If a is equal to 10, just follow the reading convention that I'm actually telling. Okay. If a is equal to 10, print any print statement. The value of a is 10. Okay. Here, what we did is, I am just validating the value, okay, which is present in a, whether it is equal to 10, then actually I'm asking Python interpreter to enter into my if block. Okay. See how Python interpreter knows this is a new block. As we already have discussed in our earlier videos, in the video of block and indentation, I have told you that if at all we are starting a new block, we have to respect the Python indentation. Okay, that is, we have to leave 4 spaces and then we have to start a new block. And we have followed it and we have started a new block. We have written a print statement and we can write any logic that we actually want Python to perform if the value in the variable a is 10. I just written one simple statement, the value of a is 10. I'll actually execute this code and we'll see the result. How is it performing? If at all you see the value of a is 10, what here Python interpreter will do is, as Python is an interpreted language, that means it will execute the code line by line. First of all, it will ignore first 3 commented lines and then it will come to line number 4. Line number 4, it will assign value 10 to variable a, and then our actual if condition or if statement has started at line number 5. Okay. Here I am in the condition, I am asking Python to validate whether the value which is present in a is 10 or not. For that, I have used double equal to. Please remember here, for comparing values, we actually use double equal to. For assigning, we use single equal to. Okay. I asked Python to validate a condition whether the value present in a is 10 or not. If a is equal to 10, then perform this. Okay, here the actual value which is present in a is 10. So it has printed me the value of a is 10. You can see the output. Okay. Actually, I want to talk to you about the structure of if. Okay, if block. Okay. So here, first of all, the if keyword has come, and then the condition we have written, and then followed by a colon, and actual if block has started here. Okay, actual if block has started here. We have followed the indentation which is present in Python and started the if block. Here in this program, this if block is the final line. Okay, final line of the code. Okay, this is okay. Python interpreter has come to the end of the if block, and it has printed the desired result, and it has ended the execution. Okay, what if the logic which is present in the if block is completed? That means, like, the logic here is only one line. What will Python interpreter do if at all the logic present in the if block is completed? And if we have other statements also which are there to be printed apart from if block, that means there are some statements outside the if block. Outside if block. Here what Python will do is, once the code which is present in the if block is completed, Python will shift to the normal flow. Normal flow in the sense it will come out of outside the block, and it will execute the remaining logic which is outside the if block. Here the logic which is outside the if block is only one print statement again outside if block. We'll see whether it will work as per our expected results or not. Okay. Yeah. It validated the value present in A, and the validation got successfully executed. The value of A is 10 here, and it executed the body of the if. And in the body of the if, we have only one print statement. The value of A is 10. It has printed it, and then it has shifted outside the if block. And outside the if block also, we have only one print statement outside if block, and it also has printed that. Okay. This is a simple if block in Python. In our next video, we will see about else statement and else block in Python. I hope you found this video useful, and we will meet in our next video. Thank you so much. One quick and important information. There are 3 courses running parallelly in our channel. Course 1, Python full course. Course 2, PySpark with Hadoop full course. These 2 courses are designed for beginners, and they are designed in such a way that a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any coding language can also easily understand the content in this course. So please do follow if you are interested. And the third course is Python interview preparation. This course is designed for those people who are preparing for Python based interviews. In this course, most frequently asked Python interview questions were taken, and they have been answered with live coding sessions for each and every questions if needed. So if you like my work, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video, and click on the bell icon to get notified about the updates of our channel. Thank you so much.